Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
PDP governorship candidate for Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, says his more agenda will guarantee the continuous socio-economic development of oil-rich Delta State. Right Honorable Oborevwori, who is currently on a ward-to-ward campaign in Delta State, describes himself as the best-suited candidate to take the baton from Governor AKUGHA in the race for Osadebe House in 2023. He therefore asks all Deltans to ignore other candidates for the governorship position, as when compared to him, they all fall short of the experience, competence and know-how in the governance of Delta State.
Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori is a politician with a populist appeal who has grown through the ranks. From a local government councillor way back in 1996 to serving in the 3 administrations that have ruled Delta State since 1999. He was both special assistant and special advisor to both Governors James Ibori and Emmanuel Odoagang. Since 2015, he has remained in the Delta State House of Assembly as a legislator representing Okpe State constituency. Due to his evident leadership qualities, his colleagues in the Assembly in 2017 elected him as Speaker, a position he still occupies till date. He is the longest-serving Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly and the first Speaker to serve in 2 different legislative sessions. A holder of a master's degree in political science from the Delta State University, Abraka, Right Honorable Oborevwori says he is prepared and ready to take Delta State to greater heights.
I have told Deltans of my more agenda. I have told Deltans of my vision to keep Delta State ahead in all aspects of social and economic well-being. I have told Deltans about my mission to operate an open, responsive government that will meet the needs and aspirations of our people through infrastructural development and improved social money. I have told Deltans I'm a unifier. I have a relationship across Delta State. And that's why you see the acceptance.
Sheriff na go free una. Na see when near tree, na no for give you job. I know Sheriff. I mean I know Sheriff. It's no Sheriff. Who know the one they bring the gun? Nobody know her. So that will help us. You see how one? Yeah.
Right Honorable Oborevwori's acceptance in Delta State is overwhelming. Easily the favourites for the governorship ticket within PDP circles, as evident in his landslide victory in the gubernatorial primaries. Oborevwori is regarded by most Deltans as a man of the people on account of his humble background and street credibility. As the ward-to-ward campaigns move round the state, Oborevwori's popularity continues to grow as excited Deltans are always on ground to receive him while pledging their total support for his candidacy. In the Urhobo-speaking Delta Central Senatorial District, where Oborevwori is currently campaigning, the people welcome him with jubilation as the Urhobos are rightfully providing Delta State with his next governor. While addressing supporters in the 3 Okpe Urhobo local governments of Okpe, Saple and Uye, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, who is the Ukodo of Okpe Kingdom, told them that the PDP had the right mix for different political offices in the states. He said after producing 3 senators for Delta Central in the persons of Senator Eradajaye, Dafinone and Eferikea, it was now time for Okpe Urhobo to produce the next governor of Delta State. Oborevwori then told them to vote for him as governor and Igoyota Amori as senator.
Governor and Senate, which one is higher?
Governor. We take governor.
Which one is higher?
Governor.
And Okpe Kingdom take governor and Senate?
No.
Which one are we going to take?
Governor.
Who is going for Senate?
Amori.
Who is going for governor?
Now you.
As the PDP word-to-word campaign continues in Delta State, it is clear that Right Honorable Oborevwori is doing the hard legwork round the state to convince Deltans to buy into his more agenda, which promises overall socio-economic development of Delta State while building and sustaining peace in the state. So far, he is winning more and more converts daily and making his journey to Osadebe House Asaba next year a certainty.
Inside the Niger Delta,